Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Sign in with your Apple ID, enable two-factor authentication, and connect the iPad to Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Make sure iCloud Drive is toggled on. You do this so the system syncs files and maintains versions. Next, allow Files app access. This first step sets up the backbone. Without it, folders won't sync reliably. Now you're ready to create folders and move files into iCloud Drive. You now organize and upload content inside the Files app. Open Files, tap Browse, then iCloud Drive to see your folders. To add files, tap the ellipsis or long press an item to move. You can drag files between locations with split view. When you need to upload from Photos or another app, use the Share sheet and pick Save to Files, then choose an iCloud Drive folder. Do this so items sync across devices and keep a clean structure. It also reduces duplicate downloads and saves local storage. Finish by confirming sync and sharing settings so others can access files. If you use a Mac, enable desktop and document sync in iCloud settings. Otherwise, check your iCloud storage plan to avoid full drive stops. To share, select a file, tap Share, then Collaborate or Copy Link for controlled access. If syncing fails, first check storage space, then sign out and sign back into iCloud, restart the iPad, and verify Wi-Fi. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.